Question 20. Solve the equation x squared divided by 11x plus 20 is equal to 1 divided by 3. First, I rewrite the equation as in the form of fractions. So I'll get x squared over 11x plus 20 is equal to 1 over 3. Then we cross multiply to get rid of the fraction, and means that we multiply x squared by 3 and multiply 11x plus 20 by 1, and like this, and we get 3x squared is equal to 11x plus 20. I take these two terms to the left hand side, and the result will be 3x squared minus 11x minus 20 is equal to 0, which is the form of a quadratic equation. We try to solve this quadratic equation by factoring. For doing this, we multiply the coefficients of x squared, which is 3, in the constant term, which is 20. So 3 times 20 is equal to 60. Then we write down all the factors of 60, which is 1 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15, 5 times 12, or 6 times 10. From between these factors, we need to find two numbers. Then when we add them together, we get the coefficients of x, which in our equation is negative 11. Positive 4 and negative 15 are those numbers. So positive 4, negative 15 is equal to negative 11. Or we can write down negative 11x as 4x minus 15x. I do the same and rewrite the equation. So I get 3x squared minus 15x plus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. Between these two terms, I factor out the greatest common factor, which between these two are 3x. So it will be 3x times x minus 5. And between these two terms is 4 plus 4 times x minus 5. Now I can factor out x minus 5. So we get x minus 5 times 3x plus 4 equal to 0. When we have two factors multiplied together resulting in 0, it implies that each individual factors should be set equal to 0. First, we put x minus 5 equal to 0. This means x is equal to 5. This is one of our answers for one of the roots of our equation. Or 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. We take 4 to the other side. 3x is equal to negative 4. And if we divide both sides of this equation by 3, we get x is equal to negative 4 over 3. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like my teaching style, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and sharing this video with your friends. Thank you so much for your support. Wishing you an absolutely fantastic time wherever you are on this planet.